Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and surprise, surprise, as I was using my PC today, clicks on the Start menu and voila, the new Start menu is here. For the first time today, and all quietly, it's like it turned on and it was there to be seen and to be used without anything that I did. We did have the Patch Tuesday updates last week. Some people had the new Start menu after that. I didn't have it immediately because last week I did show you that I still didn't have it. But finally, it's here. And I'm kind of very happy with it because it is an improvement. I see a lot of people complaining, a lot of people saying, I don't want to have that crap. And no, it's not better. And it's like, no, it is better. There's complaining for complaining, and there's looking at things that we're using and seeing that, okay, it might not be what you want, but it definitely is an improvement. Actually, I saw a lot of people just adding comments saying, no, it is an improvement. You got to say that there's an improvement in it. But, I don't know what people are expecting, but, this I like personally, and I got no problem with. And I'm happy to have it now, and I'm actually happy that finally it uses a whole, Start menu rather than tons of empty space everywhere. This is what I was not happy about. And of course, if you want to customize it, right-click anywhere in the Start menu and go into Start Settings. Brings you into the Start menu settings. So you can see, you can add the Show Recently Added Apps, show recommended files and Start, recent files in File Explorer, and so on, jump lists, recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. Show websites from your browsing history so that you can actually remove if you don't want it. And show most used apps. That is useful sometimes to have the most used apps, and so on. So that is, interesting. I do like it. And I'm happy to finally see it. I see, there was comments today I would see that some people had this in 25H2 since like the beginning, and even in 24H2, because if you're on 24H2, this is also available, by the way. It's the way it's rolling out. But more and more PCs now, including mine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.